Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move push behind, also sometimes known as a first move catapult. To a count, looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, so let's break it down. Starts off man's left, lady's right. Begins just like a first move. So we go semicircle back, we come in side by side. The one difference is at this point the left hand is flat, as if we were going to do a push spin. We're still going to pull with the right hand, which is going to keep the lady moving forwards, but as we push with the left, we lead the lady into a spin. She continues to spin past us. We keep the right hand in contact, so it drags, comes down the lady's arm, which means we can't end up too far away from our partner, which means if we offer the left, the lady should be able to reach it. And then it's just finishing like a catapult. Bring the lady in on the left, spin and catch, return and back. Let's do that a little bit quicker from the other side. Starts off left to right, semicircle back 1, in and flat 2, spinning through 3, into the catapult position 4, prep 5, spin 6, catch 7, return 8 and back 1. So let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move push behind. We go a back, flat, spin, lean, to the side, spin, catch, return and back. And that's it for the first move push behind. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and as always, we'd very much appreciate it if you like and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.